Hello there, let me tell you about my extension that I've made, but first I'll tell you about the problem that I was trying to solve. So I have this boat, and it's a photogrammetry scanned boat. It's a miniature boat made by my friend, and I want to scale it appropriately so I can like 3D print some parts for it. And what I've done in real world, I measured the distance between like point here and point here. And now I want to scale it appropriately. And how would I do that? And in the old world, I would go to edit mode. I would create a like new edge between two guys or something like this. And then I will enable edge length. I will see, oh, okay, it's this length. And then I know what the length should be. And so I will go and I will go to my scale and I will calibrate the scale accordingly after I've done some math. And it's a lot of work, so why not automate it? In my here case, there is a second boat which is the same boat, but it's like low poly version of the same. And so what I just want to say, hey, scale it so that distance between this point and this point is 88 mil, which is what it is in reality. And that is where the scale to distance comes in. So you just select both of them and then you say enable, and in object mode it works in both object mode and let's hide this one for now. In object mode I just select this point and the object is automatically selected, and then I will go to the bottom and I'll find a point, and I'll say from there till there, currently it's 22 centimeters and that's too much. I want 88 millimeters. And when I do that and I press let's see, cursor, the pivot is transfer pivot, when I didn't select it. Yeah, I see my mistake. So what I can do, I can select the second object. You see, I selected the second object, and now I apply the scale, and both of them are now like scaled accordingly the same way. And this boat in 3D space is exactly the same boat I have in real life. I'll show you a couple more just examples and capabilities. So first of all, it works in edit mode as well. So in edge mode, just selecting an edge, I can press the scale and it scaled the whole object. That is in scale mode, right? In vertex, I just need to select two vertices and it will do the same. Now in object mode, I can select multiple objects as I said, and then I can select points that are between, for example, this legacy mesh and this, sorry, a legacy curve and this mesh. So for whatever reason, I know this distance. And when I press, all of them scaling perfectly. So yeah, it works for curves, modern curves, legacy curves, and meshes. That's it. That's scale to distance. Thank you very much.